They are excited.
Yes!
We are too.
I've been waiting to come here for 20 years, so to be able to finally be able to do it, I haven't clowned since 2012, so I'm just now getting back into it and actually starting a clown alley in my community to help build up and keep the art alive. So this is just really inspirational for me.
Mooseburger Clown Arts Camp is one of the finest trainings that you'll find in the entire United States of America. I'm so proud to be a part of this camp because it keeps bringing joy, yes, to the clown, but also to all those audiences all around the world, because what we've learned here and the camaraderie we have and the support we have, knowing that as we go forward, we're joining together to bring smiles across the miles.
Well, 37 years ago, we had a clown troupe at our church called the King's Jesters, and they said, "We need more clowns." And my husband looked at me and said, "You can do that." And I went, "Yeah, I could." And it started then. And I love doing carrying clown and church clowning and just being silly.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
I'm a lifelong Shriners patient, so when I was growing up,
Cool.
I had clowns walking through the hospital and hanging out, and had no idea I was going to be a clown, but last year I had joined the shrine, and little did I know I became a clown right away.
Cool.
Now I'm here.
I started on the road on the circus with Pricilla, Miss Moose, who runs the whole Mooseburger Clown Arts Camp. And we were in clown college in Ringling and on the show together. And then a few years after she left the circus, she put the camp together, and not long after that, I joined her at the camp. So 20x years ago.
Both of my parents were clowns. So you can say it's in my DNA. You can say I was born with a red nose, all of that. I actually have my costume from when I was a baby that my mother made. It's light pink and light blue, and I was actually able to put my own daughter in it last year during our big show that we have on Saturday.
I've been a giant Ringling fan my whole life, so to have people like Ron Severini come down and sit down next to me at dinner and just have a casual conversation about, hey, where are you from? How'd you get started in clowning? They truly care about you and they want to see you succeed. It's really mind-blowing.
I started Mooseburger Camp because I had been doing some teaching, and I always had this drive to do something better. It's like, how can we really help clowns not only learn stuff, but then actually be supported and encouraged to go out and do it. You can learn stuff, but if you don't actually experience it with the clown show that we do at the end, it's just learned knowledge that you keep. And that's what's different about Mooseburger Camp is every student is coached and trained so that at the end of the week, they get to experience performing. And once you've done it, you can take that with you anywhere.
The people who are here, the experience that we have, the amount of years together, and just the breadth of the experience is unbelievable. You definitely got to make it out here because it is unexplainable and uncomparable.
This is a great experience, and it's a wonderful thing for anybody who is interested in performing. It can make you grow so much. There are so many things within clowning and within comedy that are applicable to any kind of performing you do. So the stronger you are there, whether you're a serious performer or a comic performer or somewhere in between, this kind of experience with a variety of kind of arts and skills involved in clowning is just a humongous growth opportunity.
You know, I just want you to think about this. If this is something that you've wanted to do, maybe want to be a clown, see what it's all about, come. This is the safest place you can experience and explore the art of clowning. If you've been clowning a long time and you need your batteries recharged, this is the place to come. We'll meet you right where you're at and challenge you and take you to a new level of clowning, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. We're here for you to support you even after you leave camp, because Mooseburger Camp's a big family.
I really love seeing all of the clowns perform on Saturday because there's no joy like it. There's absolutely just this eureka moment of this is what being a clown really feels like. Because doing it in your hometown is one thing, but doing it with 80 other people really just brings this confidence that you didn't get to have before from having people in your corner that are like you. And it's just like this big united heart that we get to just all give away together, and it makes us just much more bold. So Saturday is always my favorite day.